Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Wicked, and here we go with the unboxing of this beautiful, small but effective JBL multimedia speaker. This is a portable speaker, which I'm gonna be talking about in the following minutes, but let's begin with the unboxing of this little but powerful speaker. So, on the front of the box, this is the box it does come with. JBL Go, as you may see. This is it, and we're gonna get to some features of this speaker, like it benefits of Bluetooth, it benefits of 5 hours of playing music, and it also comes with a microphone, which will definitely help you in those calling situations, conversations, and so on and so forth. On the back, on the side of the box itself, you have some barcodes, but we're not gonna talk about those. Here we have some informations about the Bluetooth. Actually, it's the legend of those icons here. So as you may see, it benefits of Bluetooth, 5 hours of playtime, and a speakerphone. And of course, on the other side of the box, you'll be able to see a headphone jack. This is not present on all of the multimedia devices nowadays, like the iPhone, so it must be mandatory to be said that it is actually a part of this beautiful speaker. So it is a surprise, we should say from now on, it is a surprise that this speaker comes with a jack, because a 3.5mm jack, because the iPhone decided to get rid of it in terms of marketing purposes. And of course, this is your charging port. It's an universal charging port, so yeah, you may use it with your, I think it's a 2.0. It's not USB Type-C, I suppose. And this, I believe, this is the speaker itself. On the side here, we have a place, an input, where you can, put something in order to keep it in your hand. I don't know. Maybe it will be in the box itself. So let's unbox it. This is how you do it, and it should slide right off, or not. Yes, it does slide like this. Beautiful. We'll put this here to the side, and here inside the box you have, of course, the speaker itself, which we're gonna be getting out. So this is the speaker. The first feel you'll get is that there's a nice rubber around the main speaker. Actually, it's only one speaker, so this is a speaker. Here in the front, covering the speaker, is a metal grill with the JBL logo in it, and instead of that, you have on the back another JBL logo and some rubberish material alongside and the back, of course. Here on the top, you got, this will be, of course, a fingerprint magnet, since it's a rubber, and as you may see already, fingerprints all the way. Here we have some buttons, but we're gonna be talking about this later on when I'm gonna be making a sound test, of course, and the main presentation of this beautiful speaker. But let's see what is inside the other box, a box in a box. And I guess here you can find the charging ports, some informations about the speaker. Yep, this is the charging port. It's pretty strange that it's red. I thought it was gonna be black, but I think it's actually, it fits really cool, if you ask me. So this is how you will connect it. Sorry. Boom. and then you'll connect it to whatever power source you have. Let's see what's inside here. Have some books. As Flossie Carter says, usual books and shit with all the information you'll need. We're gonna throw them away. Whoa. And some other, books. We ain't gonna get some stickers, but that's it. I'm guessing. Yes, it's empty. So that was the unboxing of this beautiful JBL speaker. Let's get into the main presentation and the sound test of this JBL beautiful, portable, small, really catchy looking speaker. Okay guys, to the sound test. This is how the JBL Go looks like, and this is how you should orientate it in order to get the maximum sound effect, the maximum audio experience. Because I did some research and about the speaker, and I found out that there's only one central speaker in this squared case, let's say like that, and it's protected by this metal grill, so the sound will come this way. So you shouldn't keep this like this, or you should keep it orientated to your face, to your ears, in order to get the maximum sound effect. So this is the speaker, and I will connect it to my Galaxy S4 right here in my hands. And let's turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Okay, so I got sorry. Okay, slippery phone. I got a new case and it's really slippery if you ask me. Okay, so let's turn on the Bluetooth. I got the speaker right here, and let's just turn on the speaker. How you turn on the speaker? There's a button here. You should long press it, and there's a beep, and of course there is an LED, a blue LED flashing. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's it. That was the one. The blue LED tells you actually that it's ready to connect it via Bluetooth. Blue, it's kind of the right color for Bluetooth. So I got here my my phone, as you may see, all my Bluetooth paired devices. So I think I should press down the Bluetooth key, which is the second. Okay, as you may see, it's flashing, and let's click scan in order to, as you may see here, it says JBL Go, available devices, and another one, I don't know, maybe it's my neighbor's one, but we'll connect to JBL Go. Pairing. JBL Go connected to phone and media audio. So right now the blue LED isn't flashing at all. That means it is connected to my device. And let's make a little sound test. I'm gonna try my best, and I think I will orientate the microphone directly to the speaker in order to for you to hear the best audio experience from this speaker. So I have here my YouTube non-copyrighted sounds, and I will play some music directly to the speaker. But first of all, let me switch the microphone in the direct, so the sound will directly hit it from the speaker. Alright guys, so I moved the microphone, so it is right now orientated into this JBL speaker, and let's play some music. So we're gonna hit play right now.
There's no heart beating inside your chest.
Let's get maximum volume.
Into thin air, never to be seen again.
Great quality until now. As you may see, if I switch the speaker in the opposite direction, you can hear it. You can't really hear it very well, but There's a big difference if I get it here. Maximum volume, no tweakings at all.
Never to be seen again.
Oh, so it wasn't at maximum volume. I just pressed the volume up key. Let's see the maximum volume. Man, that's loud. I'm configuring the sound with Viper Audio Plus, if you can hear me, guys. I'm speaking right in the microphone right now. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a pretty decent amount of bass in it. I'm gonna get another sound test. Okay, so the first impression, this is the first time I hear the speaker, and I have to tell you, it is impressive, really impressive. The amount of sound this little guy gives is incredible. It is really a high quality, small, portable speaker. It's actually really small. And let me do another sound test. This time I'll put this speaker right on a table, on my table actually, because that's most of the time when you will keep it. And let's test the bass, the treble, and how it sounds. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's another sound test. I'll put the microphone right in front of the speaker in order for you to hear what I hear. So let's just place it right in the front of the speaker. Okay, as you may see, there's right there, and let's play the music. Actually, it disconnected. I think it disconnects after a period of time. So right now it's connected again, and let's play some music. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it about this JBL Go speaker. I hope you like my review, my sound test. I hope you found out if it needs to invest a little amount of money in this speaker, because it only cost me around let's say $70, and I would like to end this review by saying that this JBL Go speaker, it's really a great one. It's a really great value for money, and if you like it, please make sure you don't hesitate to buy it, because you won't go wrong with it. So that was wicked. I hope you like my review. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe right now to my channel. By doing that, you'll keep me motivating doing this kind of stuff. Until next time, take care and have a good one. Wicked is out. Bye bye.